And because I don't have just a simple custom built, but I have an HP Z8 workstation Gen 4, it requires that OEM part, So that's gonna give me, I think these are 16 cores, so I'll have 32 cores and 64 threads. And then this guy goes in the old HP Z620. That thing's ancient, but it does plex pretty well. But when the kids all do the fun stuff, and mobile and all that, it slows it down a little. So we're just trying this. This is funny. You can get these things for like 50 bucks on eBay. So